Good morning, children. Welcome to your online class of EVS. I am your EVS teacher. Children, you all know that we are in chapter number 5 and our almost 3 by 4 explanation is complete. Now we are in page number 43. Now we are in this paragraph. In this paragraph, Anita want to say that how did he complete his honey keeping work and college together by the help of her parents. Now let's start. Every day I cycle to my college. My college is in the town, 5 kilometers away. That means Anita Vantu said that every day she covered 5 kilometer distance for reach her college, which is situated in the town. When I go to college, my mother prepares the syrup for the bees. Whenever Anita go to college, her mother had her in her beekeeping work and made syrup for bees. And her father also looks after the bees and takes the honey out of the boxes. Overall, her parents give her full support on her beekeeping profession. Now you also know a lot about Anita. I think almost you all know about Anita and her profession and how to he complete her graduation and how did he aware the people of her village about the girls' education. Yes, children. Now let's start this next paragraph. Anita is known by everyone in all the villages nearby. Now Anita became very popular and every villager known her very well. She goes to all the village meeting and talks about how important it is for everyone to study. Now Anita started the work to make aware to all villagers about the girls' education. Sometimes people make fun of her, but Anita knows what she wants to do. Many times many people make fun of her, but Anita did not stop. She knows that what she wants to do. She does exactly what she wants to. So she did not stop her way and continuously started her work. Anita wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the villagers to get the right price for their honey. Now Anita wants to become a wholesaler. Wholesaler means a seller who gave the material in a sufficient or a minimum amount. Anita wants to become the wholesaler for the villagers because she wants to help the villagers for getting the honey in right price. Now children, the explanation, according to the explanation of these two paragraphs, some questions are given here. So let's start to discuss the questions. Anita and others in her village get rupees 35 for 1 kilogram of honey. How much does 1 kilogram of honey cost in your town? Yes, in Anita's village the cost of 1 kilogram honey was 35 rupees. But now in our locality the cost of 1 kilogram of honey is 200 to 250 rupees per kg. Okay, what are the different colors of honey that you have seen? Mostly honeybees are the following 3 colors: brown, yellow or golden color. Okay, is honey used in your house? What is it used for? Yes, honey is used in our house in many ways. Mostly it is used when someone has cough or sore in her or his throat, and sometimes we applying it on bread slices also. Okay, every beehive has a queen bee that lays eggs. Children, in a beehive, a main person is queen bee. There are only a few male in the hive. Most of bees in the hive are worker bees. Mostly the popular person is the queen bee, and some male and worker bees are also present in a beehive. These bees works all day. The worker bees works all day. They make the hive and also look after the baby bees. The work of the worker bees is looking after the hive and protect the baby bees also. They fly around flowers in search of nectar. They also collect the nectar from the flowers also. They collect nectar from flowers for honey, and by the nectar they prepare honey. When one bee finds flowers with nectar, it does a special kind of dance by which the other bees can know where the nectar is. Yes, whenever any honeybee found nectar in any flower, he perform a special kind of dance above the flower. After showing the dance, all honeybees attract on there, and they also collect honey for their hive. The worker bees are very important for the hive. Without worker bees, their hive would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. So the important and very hardworking person is in beehive are worker bees. Without worker bees, the protection and the collection of nectar is not possible for any bee hive. All bees in the hive would go hungry, and when if there were not any worker bees, the all male and the female bees would go hungry. The male bees have no special role as workers. Male bees do not perform any special work like workers, which are some other insects that live together in group like honeybees. Children, now some questions are given here according to this paragraph, and the first question is, which are the some other insects like honeybee which are lived in group? And the names are ants, termites and wasps. Ants live and work together like honeybees. The queen ant lays the eggs. The soldier ants look after the and guard the ants nest. Worker ants are always busy looking for food and bringing it to the nest. Termites and wasps also live like this. So these are the description of ants, termites and wasps. They three insects perform all features just like honeybees, and their lifestyles are little bit similar to the honeybees. Have you seen where ants live? Yes. We usually see the ants under the ground or inside the wall. What kind of eatables attracts ants? List them. Yes, mostly the eatable which ants attract are sweet, like sugar and sweets, honey, etc. Looks at a line of ants. What is its color? Mostly ants colors are black or red? Now, in that question, have you been bitten by an ant? What was the ant like, black or red, big or small? Yes, children. In that question, you have write your own experience. So, do that by yourself. Do ants ever come near you? When? Anytime any ants ever come near you? If yes, you have to write here yes, and if no, you have to write no, and write here the time also when. Okay, so do that by yourself because that question is depend on your experience. Okay, look carefully at some big and small ants. How many legs does an ant have? Yes, big ant and small ant. Children, all ants have 6 legs. That is not matter the ant is small or big. Both have 6 legs. Okay. Now draw an ant in your notebook and color it. Yes. Children, you have seen many types of ants. So you have to make 1 or 2 ants picture on your notebook. Okay. While eating peanuts, you probably throw away the cells. Why don't you try to make some insects by using the cells? Do not forget to color them. Yes, children, in that question there is given a activity by the peanuts peels. In that lockdown period, you have to try to do that activity in your home, and that chapter's explanation is complete now. So we will do the exercise and question answer in next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.